Guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new video for you and it's a soft everyday look. I asked what kind of look you want to see on my Instagram and most of you wanted the everyday look, so here it is. The first thing I'm gonna do is priming my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC15. And I'm dabbing it in on my eyelid with the Zoeva 142 brush. I will not set the concealer with any powder or something else. I'm gonna use the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first shade I'm gonna use is Incense. And I'm blending this with a fluffy blending brush all over the crease, and I'm using the Zoeva 228 brush. And add a little bit more of the same color. The next color I'm gonna use is Love. It's a pink color and I'm gonna blend this in my crease with the Zoeva 227 brush. And now I'll blend the same color all over my lid. And blend everything together with Incense. And I will blend Incense and Love also on the lower lash line with the Zoeva 231 brush. Blending this color with the Zoeva 226 brush. I will highlight my inner corner with Summer, and I'm using the Zoeva 230 brush. I will highlight my brow bone with the color Dreamer, and I'm using the Zoeva 237 brush. I'm applying this white eye pencil by Catrice Cosmetics in my waterline. And some mascara for my lashes and my bottom lashes, and I'm using the Chanel Le Volume mascara, and after that I'm going to apply my lashes out front of camera. And this is the result of today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you by my next video. Bye!